How to use Dogsbot in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily start using the Dogsbot in your Telegram. So in order to do it, you first have to click on the link that I have given you in the description, and then you will be landed on the official Dogs Telegram bot. Here you need to press the start button in the bottom and then select the let's go option. After clicking on it, it will take some time and it will show you how many points do you have, or basically how many score do you have. So basically this score is judged based on how long you were using the Telegram. So if you are using Telegram for, let's say, 5 years or for the last 10 years, then according to that years you will be able to see your dog's score. Now this is the home page that you can see. If you were using Telegram Premium, then you are going to get more points. If you want to join the dogs community, then tap on the join button and you need to make sure that you join them for latest updates. Next thing, if you tap on the leaderboard, then you will be able to see who is leading in the leaderboard, so you can see them. Then if you tap on the friends tab in the bottom right hand corner and tap on the invite friend option, you will be able to copy your invite link and share it with your friends. So whenever your friend join with your referral link, you will be able to enhance your dog's score into it. So this is how you can easily start using it. Basically, you just have to refer your friends into this app in order to increase your dog's score. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.